Joe Beermaster. Here is the infamous pocket hose. I'm going to give you my review on this. This was given to me as a gift, and you can see I used it about 4 times. You can see it lost its elasticity to roll back up, so although it does fold up pretty nice, which is good, but the problem with this thing is it's pretty much a piece of junk. And I'm going to give you a demonstration here. This hose has only been used 4 times. It's got the cheap plastic on here, and they have the metal ones. They're just junk too. And I've also given these out as gifts too. And everybody complained that after a few uses, it blows holes in the side. So let's turn it on and give you a demonstration. Turned on right now, and if you have a hose end on it, so I'm going to tinker with my hand. First of all, it jumps around. That's the one bad part, like crazy. So I just got soaked, and here you go. You can see right here, hole is blowing out the side. Only after 4 uses of this, the hole blows out. Now, if I had a nozzle on the end and I shut the water off, that would be blowing out about 20 feet. So, I had 3 of these, and this one, the 2 were giving out gifts, and each one lasted about 4 to 6 uses. Pretty much, I would not recommend it. Junk, in my opinion. Neat idea, but it's got a lot of flaws to it. I would not recommend it. That is the pocket hose, and they probably calls it the pocket hose because you get hosed in the pocket. Joe Beermaster.